Accused of serious sexual harassment, not against one or two, but many women, poor women employed with the family, with these charges against him. For a month, he was away and abroad. Prajwal Revanna has returned. Immediately arrested as expected on the site at the airport when he landed. That is the full deployment of the police. Remember, the CID presently has been investigating this case in Karnataka. But look at him, look at the body language, wearing a sweatshirt, walking as if it is a VVIP convoy that has welcomed him, but he knows what has happened. He knows he'll now have to spend the night in police custody. He will be, of course, taken next for a medical checkup. And interestingly, I must add an update here that it was an all-women cop team that took Prajwal Revanna to the CID office. Was there a messaging here as well that he needs to realize that the charges against him are serious, with the sexually explicit videos that he'll have to now explain and answer, cross-questioning expected in this case. Let's take a look at our reporters through the night who were there at the airport to give you this update. Let's take a look at that ground report.
The most wanted man in the country at the moment, Prajwal Revanna's convoy has arrived at the CID office in Bengaluru. That's the convoy, one convoy after the other that has just started to come inside the CID office. As you can see, the two women police officers heading the CID team, Suman and Seema Ladkar. Well, that's Prajwal Revanna over there. He was escorted by the top cops of the Karnataka, the SIT team headed by Seema Ladkar and Suman. They've picked up Prajwal Revanna from the airport and they got here in just about 25 to 30 minutes with topmost security. In fact, right when they were coming from the airport to the CID office, we were being told that there was a lot of media glare, and somehow the police managed to sort of dodge all the media cars, and they reached the CID office with Prajwal Revanna, who was wearing that grey sweatshirt. He will be staying at the CID office here overnight, and only tomorrow will we know what's going to be the next course of action. Will Prajwal Revanna be interrogated throughout the night, or will he be allowed to rest, and tomorrow morning will the interrogation begin? So all these details are completely left to the discretion of the discretion of the IO, the investigating officer. So by tomorrow, we'll really know what's going to be the fate of Prajwal Revanna, his father Revanna, and his mother Bhavani Revanna. Interestingly, all three of them, the entire Revanna family's bail application is there, is going to be heard in the court tomorrow. As far as Revanna is concerned, the SIT has challenged Revanna's bail in the High Court. So tomorrow is when the fate of the Revanna family will be sealed. With camera person Shivamurthy Gurumat, I'm Megha Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
And I just want to add here that India Today was live till about 3 a.m. to get you an update as and when this man landed. For a month, there was no information, and finally he sent out a video and he's appeared, but he'll have to face the law now.